All right, well, there's a nice day today. Got some rain, but good day to change oil in Old Blue. So got some castor oil, full synthetic GTX, cheapest stuff on the shelf. It actually cost me exactly $2. They were getting rid of it, so we let it all go. And right here we got the new old stock Valvoline oil filter, the VO-1. And if you look right here, it says what the cross references is. And right here, it tells you what it fits. So the VR1s, they fit from 57 to 80 Ford cars and light truck, 6-cylinder and V8s. The Chrysler 1960 to 74 cars and light truck, 6-cylinder and V8s. So right here, your service card. We're gonna use this, and hopefully it seals up and don't leak oil everywhere, but we'll see what happens. That's it, so let's get started. Okay, got my funnel here, and I cut her off there. I got plenty of these laying around, so I decided to make one that perfectly fits right in this hole. So jam it on there, there you go. Okay, let's try this castor oil out. Okay, let this settle and come back and add some more. Alright, that's good. That's it. So let's see how well the old Valvoline new old stock filter works out. Give you guys an update on that sometime in the near future. How it holds up. Looks alright to me. Here's the old oil here. It's not bad. There's no material in it. It's just oil. That's good. I'll just put it in this jug, and I already got enough saved up, so I'll just take it to the recycling center at the auto parts store. That's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell, that way you see the latest and greatest content on YouTube. Alright, later.